Are you looking for a comprehensive legal research solution? Do you need an efficient way to manage and analyze your legal documents? Look no further. Introducing Para, the ultimate legal research and document management platform designed specifically for Indian legal professionals. Para is a Make in India product, meticulously trained on an extensive Indian legal dataset. By combining advanced AI with a comprehensive legal database, Para streamlines your workflow, making legal research, document analysis, drafting, and staying updated on legal developments more efficient and accurate. With an exhaustive collection of judgments from the Supreme Court and all high courts in India from 1950 till date, Para ensures that case law research is seamless and thorough with competitive analysis over legal judgments. Together, Para offers a holistic solution, empowering legal professionals with the tools they need for excellence in their practice. Discover how Para can revolutionize your workflow with its advanced features designed for legal professionals. Para Search, a cutting-edge tool for legal research tailored to understand and navigate the complexities of Indian law. Key features: Smart language model, understands and explains complex legal terms. Large legal database, regularly updated with the latest information. Judgments collection, includes decisions from the Supreme Court and all high courts in India from 1950 till date. ParaDoc, streamline your document management with ParaDoc, designed to analyze and manage legal documents efficiently within the Para search system. Key features: Analysis tools, automatically examines legal documents to find important information. Document management, easy uploading and organizing of legal documents. ParaDraft, enhance your drafting process with ParaDraft, offering intuitive tools and templates tailored to Indian legal standards. Key features: Drafting tools, helps create legal documents such as contracts, wills, corporate agreements for mergers and acquisitions, prescriptive drafts, pleadings, petitions, etc. quickly and accurately. Precedent integration, uses past legal decisions to support the drafting of documents. ParaSource, stay updated with ParaSource, leveraging AI to provide concise summaries and updates on legal news and court judgments. Key features: AI Summaries, offers clear and concise summaries of legal decisions. eJournal Updates, provides daily updates on the latest legal news. Embrace efficiency, accuracy, and comprehensive support with Para, your all-in-one solution for legal excellence.